The Glensheen Mansion. Glensheen is a 20,000 square foot mansion in Duluth, Minnesota, United States, operated by the University of Minnesota Duluth as a historic house museum. Glensheen sits on 12 acres of waterfront property on Lake Superior, has 39 rooms, and is built in the Jacobean architectural tradition, inspired by the Beaux Arts styles of the era. The mansion was constructed as the fam. The extensive grounds include formal gardens, a private boathouse and pier on Lake Superior, and former utility gardens that once provided food for the family. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you enjoy it. Share it with your friends and family.